finite state morphology हमें करना है. So because most morphological phenomenon can be described with what? Regular expression. The use of the finite state technique for morphological component in common. So when morphostatics is seen in any concatenate in a simple concatenate of morphes is can straightforwardly जो है ना that can be described in the in finite automata. ठीक है, तो आप उसे we can use it, and it was not so obvious though how to describe non-concatenative phenomenon like what some vowel harmony, then your root and template कुछ आएंगे morphology, or that is your inflections such as the framework.